Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I'll be reviewing tretinoin cream, which I have been using for like years and years and years now. So let me tell you what is tretinoin. Tretinoin is also known as retin A, is a prescription strength retinol that help with skin turnover, which can reduce wrinkle, fine lines, and acne. It works by speeding up the natural exfoliation process. I always apply this in night, like 2 times a week, right after cleansing and before my moisturizer. And of course, I make sure to wear sunscreen during the day because tretinoin can make your skin more sensitive to sun. Also, it's not an overnight miracle, and that's a totally normal. When I first started using tretinoin, my skin experienced some redness and dryness, especially around my nose and mouth. But I continued to use those side effect really toned down. When I get tan or like on my pigmented area, I also use with glycosic to remove marks, tan and like pigmented area, and it works like wonder. For that, I'll make another video. After about 4 to 6 week of consistent use, I noticed smoother, more even skin. I used to struggle with some mild acne, and after incorporating tretinoin, those breakouts significantly decreased. Plus, my skin just felt more radiant. Also, let's be real, tretinoin isn't without its side effects. Some dryness, peeling, and irritation are pretty common, mostly when you first start. If you're sensitive, it might take your skin a little longer to adjust. A couple of tips I have: always start slow and remember to hydrate. Using a good moisturizer and applying it after tretinoin is a key to avoid the dry and flaky skin. Honestly, anyone looking to improve skin texture, prevent acne, or reduce fine lines, this is definitely a game changer. You have to be patient and make a little time to adjust, but the results are worth it. The texture is a bit thick, almost like a rich moisturizer, but it absorbs fairly quickly into skin, doesn't feel greasy, which I really appreciate. So yeah, do add this tretinoin in your skincare routine to see that tremendous result. So yeah, that's it for today now. I hope you like it. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care.